Exercise 3.18, fifth question. Find the value of x, y, z if first subdivision x minus 3, 3x minus z, x plus y plus 7, x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 0, 1, 6. So which is in page number 149. You have to equate this two matrix and you have to equate the corresponding elements, and then you have to find the value of x, y and z. So solution given, we write whatever is given in the question. So first thing, we are going to equate the corresponding element which is in A11 position. So x minus 3 is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 plus 3. So the value of x is equal to 4. The next step is you have to equate this 2, that is A12 position. So 3x minus z is equal to 0. 3 into, already we found the value of x is equal to 4. So substitute, instead of x we are substituting 4, minus z is equal to 0. 4 3s are 12, minus z is equal to 0. Minus z is equal to minus 12. So the value of z is equal to 12. Now you find the value of x and z. Next you have to equate the position of A21, that is x plus y plus 7 is equal to 1. Now you know the value for x is 4. So 4 plus y plus 7 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 minus 7 minus 4. So the value of y is equal to minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 plus 1 is minus 10. So the value of y is equal to minus 10. Therefore we found the value of x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 10 and z is equal to 12. The problem, second subdivision, find the value of x, y, z if x, y minus z, z plus 3 plus y 4, 3 is equal to 4, 8, 16. So you can easily understand this is a row matrix. So the order of matrix is 1, 2, 3. Number of rows is 1 and columns is 1, 2, 3. So 1 cross 3. Number of rows into number of columns. So this sum belongs to the page number 149. So solution given, we just write the question as it is. Next we are going to find the value of x, y and z. Step is you have to add the corresponding elements, that is the position of A11. So this is also A11 and this is also A11. So which is implies x plus y is equal to 4. So which is your equation number 1. So the next step is y minus z is equal to 8. So this is your second equation. Then you have to equate z plus 3 is equal to 16. So if you know the value of y, only you can find the value of x. If you know the value of anyone, that is y or z, then only you can find the some other variable. So the only possibility is first you have to equate the position of A13, that is z plus 3 is equal to 16. If you equate this, you can easily find the value of z. So z plus 6 is equal to 16. Z is equal to 16 minus 6. So the value of z is equal to 10. So now you substitute the value of z in this equation, you get the value of y. So y minus 10 plus 4 is equal to 8. So y minus 6 is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 plus 6. So the value of y is equal to 14. So now you know the value of y. You just substitute in this equation. X plus y is equal to 14. So x plus 14 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 14. The value of x is equal to minus 10. According to the given matrix, you can change the order of finding the variables x, y and z. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 10, y is equal to 14 and z is equal to 10. Problem number 6. Find x and y if x into 4 minus 3 plus y into minus 2 3 is equal to 4 6, which is in page number 149. So solution given, you just write the question as it is. Next step is you have to form the equation. You have to do a scalar multiplication, that is 4 into x or x into 4, you get 4x plus y into minus 2. So you get minus 2y is equal to 4. You just multiply the variable with the number plus again the same procedure is equal to 1. Then you are making one equation using the first row. Then the next step is you have to multiply x with minus 3 plus y into plus 3 is equal to 6. You get equation number 2. So this is equation number 1. Next you get minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 6, which is equation number 2. You can see equation 1 is a multiple of 2. So equation 1 is throughout divided by 2. You get 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is your equation number 3. Then similarly, second equation is a multiple of 3. So throughout divided by 3, you get minus x plus y is equal to 2. This is equation number 4. So you just adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 plus cancel, you get 2x minus x is x is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore, you get the value of x is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 4 in any one of this equation. You get the value of y. Now I am taking equation number 4. Equation 4 implies minus x plus y is equal to 2. So x value is 4. Minus 4 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 4. So the value of y is equal to 6. Now you find the value of x and y. So the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. Problem number 7. Find the non-zero values of x satisfying the matrix equation. So which is in page number 149. X into 2x 2 3x plus 2 into 8 5x 4 4x is equal to 2 into x square plus 8 24 10 6x. So solution given, you just write whatever is given in the question. Then the next step is you have to do a scalar multiplication. That is, you have to multiply x with each element of the given matrix. So 2x into x is nothing but 2x square. Then x into 2 is 2x. 3 into x is 3x. X into x is x square. Plus 2 8s are 16. 2 into 5x is 10x. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4x is 8x, which is equal to 2 into x square plus 8 is equal to 2x square plus 16. 2 into 24 is 48. 2 into 10 is 20. 2 into 6x is 12x. The next step is you have to equate the given matrix and you have to find the value of x. You can see which one is easier to find the value of x. So first we are taking 2x square plus 16 is equal to 2x square. So if you compare the position of A11 in the matrix, you get 2x square plus 16 is equal to 2x square plus 16. So if both the matrix are same, it is obviously true. So we are moving for the next position, A12. So this is also A12 and this is also A12. So which is implies this is the position of A11. Next we are checking A12. So this is 2x plus 10x is equal to 48. So 2x plus 10x is 12x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 divided by 12. So the value of x is equal to 4. If you have any doubt, you can compare the other values also. You get the same answer. So next we are taking the position of A21. So A21, which is implies 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. So 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. So 3x is equal to 20 minus 8. So 20 minus 8 is 12. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is nothing but x is equal to 4. So this is equal matrix. So if you compare any elements, that is value, then we finally found the value of x is equal to 4. Number 8, this is your homework problem and last problem of this exercise also. Solve for x comma y, x square y square plus 2 into minus 2x y is equal to 5, 8, which is in page number 114. Just write it as it is. Then you have to form a equation. So here you just add this equation, means you get the equation x square plus 2 into minus 2x is minus 4x. So first equation you got x square minus 4x is equal to 5, which is implies x square minus 4x plus 5, it will become minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you got one quadratic equation. Similarly, we have to find the quadratic equation for y. Then you have to find the roots of the two quadratic equation, means you get two roots. This is the answer for x, or root of x is equal to 5 comma minus 1 and y is equal to 4 comma minus 2. So this is your homework problem. Thank you, students.